you a saver? Do you save things like me? Like this box that I got my drill in? I knew I could do something with it, and it's Stencil Sunday. This collaboration is hosted by Christy from Funky Junk Inspiration and Mary from The Painted Peach. You have landed on my Tuesday Talk channel. I want to paint this box. I'm just going to paint the top of it and on the inside where it says Athena. So this is just for me. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but I would rather decorate it and put it with my other boxes on my shelf, and I'll know that it'll be a great place to house my clay making materials. That's kind of something new I added to my repertoire. That's easy for you to say. But anyway, I just thought this would be a perfect place to put all those things, and also a chance for me to practice, because I want to do a layered stencil. My Flippin' Bunch friends and I are hosting a collaboration, which is a layered stencil collaboration. Now, this will be a furniture flip, and I'll be putting my video over on my Statement Designs channel. But we can put the information in the description box if you want to join this challenge. After everything's dry, I'm using a Dixie Belle silkscreen stencil. I've had these in my stash for a long time, and I wanted something in the background. Now, I know that with a silkscreen stencil, you tend to use a lot more paint than you do with a regular stencil. You don't offload your brush. Sometimes you use a little squeegee type thing to spread the paint around. But I'm looking for something that's barely there, so I am going to offload some paint. I do find at times that I've offloaded too much paint, as you'll see as I go along. I'm okay with that first one. It is truly barely there, but I'm also putting something over the middle, so I do want the edges to be a little more pronounced. So I carry on, and this time I do a little more paint, but I still got hardly anything that time, so now I'm adding a lot more paint. But I'm still trying to keep it kind of shadowy, if you will, like a ghost stencil. As I layer, it really won't matter, but it's going to be there and you'll see it. So that's what I'm trying to achieve. The next stencil I've had for a long time, and I've loved this stencil. I've used it on lots of different projects, and it's just a really pretty glitzy chandelier. You can see I did it in gold the last time, but this time I'm doing it in black. I'm really terrible about cleaning my stencils. This one I clean pretty often, but apparently I didn't the last time. How about you? Do you clean your stencils very much? The regular Mylar stencils? Let me know in the comments. Here comes the big reveal, and I love it. I really do. So it's okay for me that over there's a little bit of blank. I'm going to layer yet another stencil. This is sort of like a damask kind of motif, a little larger. And I am using a color called Oxford Fog. These are all Dixie Belle colors. And I probably should have chosen something a little darker, but it will provide some contrast, giving us that little bit of layered effect. Yeah, I like it. Next, I searched through my stash of letter stencils, and these ones I ordered a long time ago, I think, from Wish. And they came all together with this binder thing, and I use them pretty often. They're just a nice set, nice size sometimes. So I pull out the ones that I want to use. And even though this is for my clay stuff, since it's fancy with the chandelier, I'm just spelling out the word gems. Because all my art supplies are gems, right? And as usual, I'm pretty sloppy, so I have to touch it up. And then I work my way around the outside of the stencil, or out of the box, and I'm using another Dixie Belle stencil, and I can't remember the name of this one. I want to say it's like a Turkish towel or a Dutch towel or just a tea towel stencil. Not sure, but maybe that's just what it is in my mind because I've used it on dish towels. Make sure you watch all the videos in the playlist. There are some really talented people in this playlist. Subscribe to them for some great content. After I've worked my way around and everything's dry, I lay the box part on my lap and open up the top so I can stencil on the inside of the flap and also on the inside of the lid. I didn't do the greatest job, but again, it's on the inside and it's for me, so I'm a little more forgiving, but I still really like the way it looks. And here it is, all done with my supplies in there, so you can see it kind of corralled them very nicely for me. And it'll go great on my shelf where it's been sitting empty, so this is a much better situation now. So I hope you'll hop over and check out my Statement Designs channel where I flip furniture, and then my Flippin' Bunch sisters and I have a channel where we discuss all things flipping every Wednesday night. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate you being here. I'd love it if you like this video, subscribe, share it with a friend, and hit that hype button too. Find Statement Designs on the web at www.statementdesigns.org and on social media as Statement Designs. Stay well.